Hello dear learners, welcome to this session related to the MOOC course on Buddhist tourism, and this video is focused on Sirpur, a Buddhist tourist site in Chhattisgarh. After watching this video, you will learn importance of Sirpur as a Buddhist site and its archaeological importance. So let's begin with the introduction. Sirpur is a small village which is situated in Mahasamunda district of Chhattisgarh state. It is 35 kilometers from Mahasamunda city and 78 kilometers away from Raipur on the bank of river Mahanadi. A 4-lane section of National Highway 53 connects Raipur with Sirpur, and Raipur and Sirpur are connected by frequent bus service. Mahasamund railway station is the closest station, that is 35 kilometers. The Swami Vivekananda airport in Raipur, which offers a daily flights to important Indian cities, is the closest airport. It is an important site known for its extensive ancient town planning system. The archaeological finding representing the ancient town includes the Buddhist stupa and viharas, Jain viharas and the Brahminical temples, for example, Ram and Lakshman temples. Along with the religious structure, the site contains palace complexes, granaries, bazaar. It was the capital city during the period of Sharapuriya and Panduvamshis, that is approximately 6th to 7th century CE of the South Koshal. The ancient name of the place was Sripura, revealed from the copperplate charters of the mentioned dynasties. Sirpur is only site where royals were patronizing Buddhism, while comparing the other sites of the Dakshin Koshal region, which belong to the Panduvamshi. The earliest monument of the Sirpur is the Buddhist stupa dated to 3rd century BCE to 4th century CE, which shows that Sirpur was important Buddhist place before the Sharapuriya's and Panduvamshi's rule. Except the Buddhist stupa, Buddhist monasteries have been discovered by archaeologist M.G. Dikshit and A.K. Sharma. From 1953 to 56, M.G. Dikshit discovered 2 monasteries, that is Anand Prabha Vihar and Swastika Vihar, which were revealed through the site's clearance and the excavations. This excavations was conducted by University of Sagar and the Madhya Pradesh Department of Archaeology under the M.G. Dikshit. On the other hand, A.K. Sharma found 8 monasteries as a part of the excavation project, which started from 2000 to continue up to 2011. 79 Buddhist bronzes were discovered in 2008, which are dated to 8th to 9th century CE. Among the findings of the archaeological materials, it is important to look at the significant Buddhist monuments of the Sirpur. So let's begin with Buddhist stupa, which is also called as SRP 35 site. The stupa, that is SRP 35, was discovered in 1999 2000 by A.K. Sharma while excavating the site. It is considered as the earliest Buddhist monument of the Sirpur. It is located at the southeast of Lakshman temple and northeastern corner of the Raikera tank. The sandstone boulder and the mud stupa are expanded in this around the size of 14 into 14 meter. The height of under is 4.3 meter, which stands on the dray stone platform measuring 13.2 into 12.8 meter. Presently, the platform of the stupa comprises 8 courses of the limestone blocks in rectangular shape found in the various sizes. The height of the platform is around 1.2 meter. The first course of the dray stone is placed over the 2 courses of the boulder, forming the platform's foundation. The boulder stones are placed over the well pressed mud, which is mixed with the small pebbles and the gravel. A semicircular urn is erected at the center of the platform. whose diameter is 8.8 meter at the base and 2.8 meter at the top. The whole structure of the under is built by sandstone boulders, although the boulder sizes are different from each other. The stone's tentative size are 30 into 20 into 8 centimeter. There are 26 vertical sequences of the boulders which are placed over the stupa from bottom to top. The bottom part of the stupa is bigger, which is receding in size until the top part. The inside part of the stupa is filled with the boulder, mud and pebbles. By observing the condition of the stupa, it is clear that while elevating the height of under, the mixture of pebbles, boulder, stone and mud were overlapped layer by layer to make it weight and then thrusting it to form the solid mass. Sharma says in the report that Chhatra has two grooves at the equidistance and the proximal end of the ST is broken. The top part of the stupa has a stone chhatra. Its ST has a single groove. The diameter of the existing ST is 45 centimeter. Sharma has proposed the date of the stupa around 3rd century BC and says that the lower platform was enlarged around 3rd century CE. The lower platform is 10.5 meter at north-south and 6.1 at east-west. For creating this platform, the platform's original walls, western wall had been demolished and a 0.6 meter inset was created where 4 courses of the stone boulder were fixed inside the main platform. The second platform looks inferior by its quality compared to the older platform, is observed by the finding of dressed limestone, which is not composed in even the courses. Sharma adjoins the proof of the inscriptional evidence for the dating the second platform, which is found at the western step. It reads as Ha and La. He dedicates the inscription to the Gupta Brahmi character of the 4th century CE. He says, the platform's purpose was to allow the devotee to have a walk, that is pradakshina, around the stupa. This platform size indicates that it was for the meditation purposes for the monks or the devotee. They might be sitting on the platform to worship the stupa.